So we're back again. We're back again, and Magic Mike is going to show you his. So we come over here, Mike. So Mike's going to show you the build-up of the hinges. So we've got the hinge, got the barrels. So Mike should be doing this, but he's being a bit camera shy. So that's the main hinge. Then we'll weld on the two brackets, and that'll be welded to the gate. Now that is better than any hinge you can buy in any hardware store. Okay, so just to show you again, there you go. That's it, perfect. And the two brackets on. There you go. So, Magic Mike, handsome Andy. Magic Mike, handsome Andy. Handsome sweaty Andy, let it sweat, man. My God. And listen for a view. So the boys are going to start painting on Wednesday. The fence. See how long it takes them. Okay guys, catch you later, stay safe, take care.